Arinda and Subho. Published for this special occasion. And it is being specially designed by the director of South Zone Cultural Center. He's receiving it. I beg your pardon. He's receiving it from Mr. K.R. Mohanan, Honorable Chairperson of Kerala Chalachitra Academy. Thank you, sir. Traditional costume presentations and dance performances. Nana Salamati and his Loku Poem Group of Arunachal Pradesh. Here, Nana Salamati. Loku Poem Group of Arunachal Pradesh. Sushmita Adhikari